How to fix "this site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome. Seeing the message "this site can't be reached," let's fix it step by step. So first, you need to confirm your internet is working. So you can go ahead and check at the bottom right of your screen if you're currently connected into an internet connection. Now, if you find no internet here, that means that your Wi-Fi is the problem. So first, confirm your internet is working. Restart your router or test another browser. Second thing you can do is to verify website URL. Make sure the web address is typed correctly. If the site is down, it won't load anywhere. Third is to update Chrome. So to do that, click on this menu icon at the top right, select Settings, click on About Chrome, and then that will take you here. And fourth, clear cache and cookies. So to do that, head over to the Privacy and Security tab, click on Delete Browsing Data, and then select the cache and cookies from here. And then confirm deleting by clicking on this delete data button. And lastly is to disable extensions. So you'll find extensions once you click on this extensions icon at the top right. And then to be able to remove them, you'll need to click on this more options at the right side of that extension and then click on remove from Chrome.